What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Leonne Rapier for Damien in Crimson Desert. This stylish weapon provides her with 17 attack damage and level 1 attack speed, but its 3 Abyss gear slots are empty, which is still customizable. To find this, it's north of Delesia, which is to the right of the Demenis label, and its waypoint aligns vertically with the letter W and L of Drywind Valley to the north. It's inside a place called Thoron Town Hall Ruins. Now the area around here is infested with cyborg enemies, so make sure to clear them out first unless you're the sneaky type. Now I want you to stand on the west side of the ruins. From there, head north until you reach the edge of it, and turn east into the ruins. Pass between some barrels and a destroyed portion of the ruin until you see a barricaded hole on the right wall. Break the wooden planks, go in, and you'll find a lonesome chest. Loot it, and you'll get another rapier for Damien. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.